sitting in the audience. We are here to represent our company as AgroCrafts, which is trying to craft economy to the rural market. How we are going to do it? We are planning, already we have around 23 digital outlets. Now we are focusing on phygital outlets on panchayat level, and the model will be directly D2C and will be actually processing it via B2B2C. So by this way, we are trying to create a lot of micro entrepreneurs to the panchayat level, and we will be trying to add a lot of income opportunities to the farmers, directly supporting them on the 360-degree level for their livelihoods as well as for the family also. So the idea is we have focused on post-harvest issues which is being faced by the normal farmer day to day. So primarily the major issues post-harvest is unjustified pricing at the farm gate, miscalibrated weighing system, supply chain barriers, low quality inputs, as well as the post-harvest losses by different medium. So as Team AgroCraft, we have tried to give the solutions by right payment at farm gate, because we are trying to create our presence at farm gates or near to the farmers. Inventory, e-inventory will be managed properly with a calibrated weighing system, efficient supply chain, high quality of inputs directly from the manufacturers. We are creating panchayat level penetration and then the backward forward linkage also to the farmers. That is the problem and the solution statements. And let's go to the next page, please. How we are going to do it will be we have a platform on which Anbhumi will be adding the input suppliers, farmers and end buyers all together on the same page, so that any and every person have their stakes and they can utilize that platform directly. We are tech enabled and we are trying to create, these are the all features which is being enabled, and we are basically trying to add value chains to focus on the sourcing properly, because inputs and output is not being focused, so we will be using value chain and then we will be supporting the system, right? Next. The revenue model will be basically providing output and input support, hub and spoke model with an integrated farm support, and then the services that will be offering. The services can be anything which is required to the rural market. It will be fintech, insurance, and a lot of other offer services which is basically required by a normal farmer. We have direct and indirect competitors also. So directly we are into competition. I will not say competition because my partner always says that competitor is a person who is actually in the same phase. So I don't consider them as my competitors, because they either have started a long back, and the moment we'll be on a peak, they will be either far away from us or they'll be nowhere. So I don't consider them directly as my competitor, but yes, they are our competitors. There's a small team which we have. My name is Sharat. Rishu is there as a CEO, and Keshu is the CTO for our organization. Thank you very much.
We have a brand called Unico. So Unico is an amalgamation of unique and eco-friendly products. In one line, we are doing Kabaad se Jugaad. So we both brothers are on a mission to make planet happy. So हम लोगों की प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट भी लाइक दिल्ली में एक कूड़े का पहाड़ है, वहीं से शुरुआत हुई थी. सो जैसे जैसे वो लैंडफिल बढ़ता जा रहा है, वैसे वैसे उसने लैंडफिल ने हमें ट्रिगर्ड किया, और जब मैं 3rd ईयर में था तब से हमने स्टार्ट किया. So these are the problems like plastic problems, climate change, global warming. So these are the problems that we are right now facing. So this is all about the problems like the landfills जो हर city में increase होता जा रहा है. So coming to the solution part, so what we are doing, so as I said, like Unico is an amalgamation of unique and eco-friendly products. So we are making sustainable products by using different waste, and all products are alternative to single-use plastic, and ऐसे products जो हमारे planet को harm कर रहे हैं, हम उसके alternatives बना रहे हैं, and we basically helps corporate to reduce their carbon footprints in terms of like by providing our products for their corporate gifting and for their office utilities and for their event and conference. So we help corporates to make their event zero waste and to reduce their carbon footprint. So these are some of the products that we have. So we have more than 50 plus products. All are having different story in terms of their manufacturing, in terms of their design, or in terms of their materials. So like let's take an example, like this is a pollution solution. So like it's an alternative to bouquet. So like bouquet जो 300-400 रुपए का आता है, हमने उसको 100 रुपए का प्रोडक्ट बनाया है जिसमें हमने 10 सीड्स दिए ताकि यूजर, बुके तो 2 दिन में खराब हो जाता है, हमने कहा ये 100 रुपए का प्रोडक्ट है, आप इसको यूज करिए और एक इम्पैक्ट होगा. एंड रिसेंटली वी दिस प्रोडक्ट वी गिव टू मोदी जी ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज आवर मैस्कॉट कॉल्ड पोलू. सो जो भी हम कर रहे हैं वो उसी के लिए कर रहे हैं. पोलू एक पोलर बियर है विच इज अ बेबी पोलर बियर जो एक अर्जिनेस शो कर रहा है. These are the products. So all products are hand crafted with the help of marginalized communities. हम अलग अलग marginalized communities को support कर रहे हैं और एक impact कर रहे हैं. So this is the unique features we have. And अभी recently we also got delegate from Startup India. We went to Dubai Expo. We अभी like Audi ने पूरे world से 6,000 projects nomination आई थी. Out of that they have selected only 15 projects. In out of 15, Unico is one of that. And we went to Manchester. So there's a summit called One Young World, and today we are also getting award by Ministry of Urban Affairs. We received 20 lakh grants. So we won there out of 520 startup, and we are top 30 over there. So basically हम लोग करते क्या है, हम सबसे पहले कबाड़ को आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि कौन सी इंडस्ट्री में कौन से जगह पे वेस्ट है. जैसे कि हमारे पेपर वेस्ट, बगास या बैम्बू वेस्ट, हम लोग मटेरियल सेलेक्ट करते हैं. उसके बाद प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं. प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए हम अलग अलग थिंकिंग यूज करके उसका ऑल्टरनेटिव एंड देन वी सपोर्ट एंड देन वी कस्टमाइज एज पर द क्लाइंट्स. सो दिस इज सम ऑफ आवर क्लाइंट्स. सो वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 30,000 एंड नाउ वी आर इन लाइक रेवेन्यू वाइज. सो लाइक वी हैव दिस मच clients. This is the grants what we received, SDFC grant and all. This is some video. So this is the impact and thank you. So we started from 30,000 rupees. So in January we just raised 3.1 and last year 2021 we crossed 21 lakh and this year we crossed 92 lakhs and this year like we want to cross 1 CR. Thank you.
Looks like you are not to worry. Just wanted to know what is your go-to-market strategy? How are you making people aware that you exist?
So sir, go-to-market strategy is now we are entering into franchising model. We are entering into kiosk building. So हम outlets पे तो नहीं जा रहे हैं अभी हम kiosk buildings पे जा रहे हैं और अभी हमने 30 countries के साथ collaborate भी किया है. So like being as a change maker, global change makers, तो हम kiosk models पे जा रहे हैं B2C के लिए. और online हम लोग ने different की जितनी भी online e-commerce sites है सब पे लिस्ट कर दिया है फॉर B2C एंड फॉर B2B हम लोग रेफरेंस मॉडल्स और इवेंट एंड कॉन्फ्रेंसेस के थ्रू, नेटवर्किंग के थ्रू क्लाइंट्स को ऐड कर रहे हैं.
देखिए सोशल इम्पैक्ट इज वन पार्ट, ओके, बट सोसाइटी एक्सेप्टिंग दीज प्रोडक्ट्स एज अगेंस्ट अ फ्लावर बुके, हाउ आर यू चेंजिंग दैट माइंडसेट? बिकॉज दैट इज अ प्योर माइंडसेट इशू. And the reason why I asked that is most of your product appeared to be they didn't have color, they were more brown, which is the most accepted color in this area. I get that. Again, can it be turned into something which is more presentable, more beautiful, for the want of a better word? Can it be or can it not?
Sir,
I'm asking a question.
Yes sir. So sir, हम उस पर कर रहे हैं एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लाइक आपने कहा कि एक्सेप्शन. सो अभी क्या है कि हम इंडियन मार्केट में थोड़ा सा सस्टेनेबल प्रोडक्ट्स को लेके या ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट्स को लेके लोगों के दिमाग में माइंडसेट रहती है कि दे ऑलवेज थिंक कि सस्टेनेबल प्रोडक्ट्स, ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत महंगे हैं. बट हम लोग एक इम्पैक्ट पे काम करना चाहते हैं तो हम उसको अफोर्डेबल बना रहे हैं. कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स तो हमारे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल हैं कि मतलब वो सिमिलर कॉस्ट पे हैं, बट सम ऑफ देम आर लाइक लिटिल कॉस्टली, जो मतलब 30% 40% कॉस्टली है. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द डिज़ाइन, तो अभी जैसे कि आपने लाइक BMW के साथ हमने पार्टनर किया है, ऑडी के साथ भी. तो अभी ऑडी में जितने भी इंडिया में जितने भी ऑडीज लोग खरीदेंगे उनके साथ जो गिफ्ट हैम्पर मिलेगा वो हमारा ही मिलेगा एंड दैट विल बी अ प्रीमियम वन. सो अभी क्या है कि सस्टेनेबिलिटी को लेके लोगों को लगता है कि सस्टेनेबल प्रोडक्ट्स आर नॉट एज मच प्रीमियम बिकॉज उनको लगता है थोड़ा अर्दीनेस डिज़ाइन एंड ऑल. तो हम लोग डिज़ाइन के साथ वर्क कर रहे हैं. लाइक हमारा एक प्रोडक्ट है जिस पर हमने लिखना इट्स अ माई क्लियर बैग. सो उस पर लिखा दैट आई एम नॉट अ क्लियर बैग बट माई इंटेंशंस आर वेरी क्लियर. सो हम उसको डिज़ाइन ओरिएंटेड प्रोडक्ट्स बना रहे हैं एंड बाय यूजिंग डिज़ाइन थिंकिंग लोग उसको कैच कर पाएँ. और जैसे आपने कहा कि प्रीमियम सेगमेंट में हम एंटर कर रहे हैं और अब काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो मैंने अभी इसमें नहीं दिखाए हैं, उस पर हम वो प्रीमियमनेस लोग के आ रहा है. पीपल आर मोर विलिंग टू बाय दिस प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज एवरीवन इज फेसिंग की क्लाइमेट चेंज हम देख ही रहे हैं कितना हो रहा है, तो लोग एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं उस चीज़ों को।
मैं सिर्फ ये बोल रहा हूँ, सॉरी टू टेक वन मोर मिनट, कि फर्न्स एंड पेटल्स को ना क्लिक करके आपकी साइट को क्लिक करने के लिए आप क्या करें? आई एम ओनली आस्किंग दिस फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चन बिकॉज़ द मोमेंट they stop clicking on ferns and petals and flowers.com to you, the whole thing will change. क्योंकि वो जो चेंज होगा वो लुक के ऊपर शायद पहले चेंज होगा। जैसे कि आज ईवी भी बहुत लोग खरीद रहे हैं, वो शौकिया खरीद रहे हैं बनिस्बत दुनिया को बचाने के लिए। मे बी अ हार्ड स्टेटमेंट बट that's my view.
So like we are creating dual impact, तो people will be more shift to Unico just because एक तो हमारे डिजाइन बहुत ही क्रिएटिव होंगे, दूसरी चीज वो एक इम्पैक्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं, थर्ड वन हम एक मिशन पे हैं टू मेक प्लैनेट हैप्पी, तो इसलिए वी पीपल विल शिफ्ट टू अस। और हम लोग जो कम्युनिटीज को इम्पैक्ट कर रहे हैं उनको, क्योंकि हमारी कम्युनिटीज में कोई भी ऐसा लोग नहीं है कि जिनको जल्दी नौकरी मिल जाए, तो वी ऑलवेज वर्क विद द मार्जिनलाइज्ड कम्युनिटीज। सो दैट्स
कितने कॉर्पोरेट कस्टमर्स कितने हैं आपके?
So sir, we have 60 plus corporate clients like Godrej, Intel, Microsoft, and अभी recently we collaborated with Audi and Bentley, तो BMW is also so soon to be a client, तो अब इन लोगों के लिए भी हम लोग बना रहे हैं। So like we started, like I started my startup when like selling in metros, घर से लड़ाई करके स्टार्ट किया था और मेट्रोज में मैंने सेल किया हुआ है और वो दिन भी याद है। और अभी जब मैं मैनचेस्टर गया वहाँ पे ऑडी के HR हेड से और ऑडी के साथ मिला, तो लाइक इट वाज अ वेरी रियली प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर अस कि हाँ कैसे। अभी हम लोग हॉर्सेस टेबल पे भी गए थे, वहाँ पे भी वी आर अबाउट टू रेज 1 CR, बट हमने वहाँ पे फंड रेज नहीं किया। वी गॉट ए ऑर्डर फ्रॉम वर्थ 2 crore एंड ऑल्सो वी रिसीव अ ग्रांट फ्रॉम विवेक बिंद्रा वर्थ 25 lakh rupees.
Thank you, Ankit, and many congratulations.
So we are a basically tech-enabled storage space solution for B2C and B2B clients. And what makes us unique is basically our system. Yeah. So as I said, we are a technology-backed company helping individuals and businesses to find affordable and hassle-free solution for storage. So our vision is to become the Airbnb of storage industry, and in terms of customer satisfaction and market share. So where we started from, we started in 2020, wherein people were moving to their hometowns, and there were people who were jobless as well. So they wanted to keep their storage or maybe items, racks, white goods and everything at a trusted place. So they didn't want to afford a rent of around 15,000-20,000, rather they can keep it at a price point of 2,000-3,000 with us for a month's storage. So what are the challenges the customer faces in B2C industry? They're paying heavy rents for their rentals. There's no insurance cover. You can't have trusted partners. There's difficult to deal with transporters because a lot of times your goods are broken or dismantled in a very haphazard way. Then there is a high brokerage for security deposits as well when you store your valuables. In terms of B2B, so there is a lot of costly warehousing options that we have. Now, what we have made beneficial to the B2B clients at a click of a button, and you can store with us. We have WMS installed at our backend so that it becomes hassle-free for them as well. We can move on to the next slide. So basically, what do we do? We pick and pack your storage items at your houses or warehouses. I'll just go to the B2C part because 75% of the customers are B2C with us. So we do there's a dedicated account manager who visits to our house. We do a 3-layer packaging. So it's a corrugated sheet, lamination, and there is another wrapping material that we put over there for on your goods so they're safe and they're secure with us. We transport, we have our logistic partners onboarded with us. So we have a kitty of 10 transporters who do it with us and they are trusted partners. We have an insurance coverage also. So for example, if you have any goods, items, household goods, then goods are insured. So every customer gets onboarded with us is insured, and we have a partner, GoDigit, which we use for insurance policies as well for the customers. And we have an easy exit process. So you can store your goods with us for a 14-day period to a 1-year period as well. So easy entry and exit options we have. So as I said, the storage demand is basically individual. So when we could talk about B2C customers, more of the cases DBCs, renovation, relocation or decluttering their houses. Businesses, basically the startups that are looking to grow, and a lot of startups have joined us with us. Documents storage is another key aspect. A lot of lawyers, a lot of corporates want to store their documents with us. They have been with us since a year now. And then obviously there is office optimization if you are renovating your office and everything. And e-commerce is basically when we implemented WMS, so small scale startups who are going into the e-commerce sector, that they're potentially growing in different states of the country. So they are also our customers at this point. Okay. So this is a well-proven concept in US. So there's an industry of around $39.5 billion that people have been using. This is a market over there in US, and there are near about 50,000 odd plus storage facilities in US. So earlier it was a concept which was very famous in US and Europe, where people didn't have space in their houses. Now it has become more prominent in India as well. So basically we can move on. These are the list of the companies who were funded in US in the earlier slide. Now and come to the TAM, SAM and so on. So the total market, addressable market is around 150 million. This is the population size in India and B2C. And then the target that we can achieve is near about 15 million through our services. That's the sum of the store migrants. And then in terms of B2B market, we have near about $73 billion as of now in 2020, which will be obviously increased to $144 billion in terms of e-commerce sector that we are targeting, which is the most growing sector in the B2B industry. So there is a customer journey. I'll quickly run through. The customer lands to our page, then he chooses the city where he wants to store. Then he chooses the storage hub, duration and insurance. We pick up scheduling, there's a payment gateway, then we can move on to the next step. Then there's a login account that customer has to fill. All the Aadhaar card, ID proofs are being there, uploaded of the customer, so that we ensure that there is safety of the customer and what he's storing with us at the same time. Then we have a partner allocated for pickup partner, and then we have real-time photos and feeds in terms of to the customer, so that they also are assured that their stuff is get secured with us. So we have the 3 different revenue models. The primary being the subscription model, being the storage. Secondly is the logistic and packaging that we charge from the customer. And third is the add-on value-added services, which is insurance like keys and keys pickup. So this is the partner side, wherein suppliers that we file like we
utilize the entire time to question answer as well.
Is it? Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. We can
not have
sure,
to
sure.
ask any question for the 6 minutes. I have already
Sure. So we can just move forward. So this is Aki, and I'm lovely co-founder and CEO of Store.
So we are not asking any question because it will be understood with other. So everyone should
We
be
have
at the same time.
1 minute left out of this 6 minutes, so if anyone.
What's the current turnover?
So currently we are closing ARR is 4 CR at this point of time. So we are approximately 30 lakhs per month.
Okay.